Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha. I want to bring you, as usual, the advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis on currency pairs, cryptos, and some indices. Okay, so let us go to the business. No time to waste. As usual, we start with DXY. DXY last week, I said that we are coming down maybe to around 102 or even 100. Now the pair has begun to drop. It dropped to 104.7 and is making a pullback. So let us see the 4-hour charts and know the next thing. You can see our 4-hour chart. This drop, this pullback is in a corrective mode, so I expect it not to break this level. So you can enter the sell from here, and target will be maybe 102, 103, 102, 103 will be an ideal. But if when market opens and price begin to go fast and fast, you may wait to get a reversal once more. But I don't see a reason to buy until we get a complete move downwards. Okay, that's my view on DXY. Now let's go to EURUSD. Let's go to EURUSD. EURUSD, what do we have here? I don't have to be explaining the daily chart or the week, but I just want to show that we are this move is corrective. So we expect the sellers to take over again. Maybe the selling has started. Okay, let me go to 4 hours so that we can get what I'm trying to say. Now, sometimes we have a target and it will truncate. As a matter of fact, here is my target for selling. Here is my target. 1.041, 1.049 or 1.05 anyway. But you can see this seems to be a reversal. Okay, so this sharp move, this can be either reversal or correction. So now, what I'm trying to show you here is that if price can keep going down slowly, but if it breaks this level, then we are not getting to this level again. In my own calculation, we will get to this level. Let me show you. I'm expecting the price to go up inside this level, 104 area. So this can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so all this thing is correction. We are still getting a new low. We may go below this low. Okay, that's my view on EURUSD. USD CAD. USD CAD. What do we have? We go to daily. Anything to go to daily? I think no. Let's just go to 4 hours and 1 hour. So on 4 hours, we are still looking for the price to give us another low to complete this structure, this ABC or thereabouts. Then after that, we expect a sharp move like this. Okay, can we see 1 hour? Let's check 1 hour. Now, you can consider, I consider selling this pair. If the price will move in this manner, then from 1.28 to 1.285, I'll be selling, and stop loss will be 1.2898. Okay, because if the price moves very sharp and breaks this channel, we may not get a new low, but the way it's moving, I'm expecting it to sell again towards 1.265 zone. Okay, that's my view on USDCAD. Let's move USDCHF. USDCHF, what do we have? Let's look at 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, we will likely get a little move up around 0.947, 0.95, and then price will drop again before we now buy. So I don't want to sell this one. If you want to sell this last drop, because they're using lower a little loss size, because whenever the market is at a reversal zone, it can change with a trick of an eye. So this drop is highly expected. The price can still drop to 0.924925 before the buying. So once price drop to this level, I will enter my buy. Stop loss will be around 0.92 or 918. Then I will target 0.96, 0.97. Okay. That's all for USDCHF. Pounds USD. Pounds USD. Let's see daily. Okay, daily chart. Daily after the break of this structure, I'm still looking for the price to move up 1.25, 1.26, 1.265 zone before the reversal. Now we might get an impulse. You know, this the price is still moving in a corrective manner. Okay, let me go to the lower time frame. The price is still moving in a corrective manner. So I can say that this is A, B, C trying to complete. So I will be looking for sell when price comes to this level. 1.255, 1.26, 1.265. Then I will sell again. Now, let me show you something on 1-on-1. Okay, so expect just a reversal. Anyway, the issue is that now, if you are a conservative trader, if you are a conservative trader, what you will do is to wait for this channel to be broken, then you buy. Then if you buy when this channel is broken, your stop loss will be here. Okay, but if you buy at this reversal zone, your stop will be here because it can still come down to this level. But I don't expect it to break this very low. Okay, that's my view on pounds USD. Remember, this is an educational purpose and analysis, not a must to happen, as I said. So you do your own research. Unless you believe in what I'm doing, you know that there's a risk in every trade. I lose sometimes, I gain many times, I lose sometimes. So if you trade according to my analysis, know that you can equally lose. Don't risk much. Don't be greedy. Our analysis have been maybe I can say we are scoring 7% or even 80%, which is good in trading. Okay, AUDUSD. AUDUSD. Remember last 2 weeks, I told you that this is a reversal zone. Now it has reversed. Now, what do we expect? This is where I will begin to look for sell again. The price will come to now 0.73, 0.7445 area before I will look for sell again. Okay, let's see lower time frame. This is the let's see 4 hours and 1 hour. Okay, so my idea is that all this move will get us to this level. So when price breaks this channel, let me show you in 1 hour. When this channel is broken, then we will know whether the dropping will be large or maybe small. So in essence, I'm not looking for sell. I'm only looking for buy on AUDUSD. Same with using the USD. Present the USD. The same scenario. They move the same direction, so they are all buying. So when this channel breaks, we now check whether it will be deep or shallow. So selling, I don't want to. I'm not selling New Zealand now. I'm only looking for buy entry. Okay, Japan 225. Japan 225. What do we have there? We have a kind of we expected the price to give us selling around this area, but it didn't give us the selling. Meanwhile, it's not a surprise because we have gotten an ABC on a bigger time frame. So after that, after getting an ABC, either we get impulse or we get with X, which we make room for another drop. So now, what are we trying to? Okay, let me show you daily, so don't get confused. So now, see what we're expecting: A, B, C. So this wave C, I'm expecting the price to go to the level of 29,671 and the 30,670. This is where I will look for sell again. So any sell from here will be a little correction. So that we see on 4 hours and 1 hour. So now this is 4 hour. So the price is moving up again. We might get a correction around here before moving again. So what we do is that you watch for correction on 1 hour. When you get a nice correction, you buy again. Do not sell until you get to the main reversal zone. So in this case, you might see the price giving us like A, B, C. Maybe it will end on with this channel, or it can go deeper before buying. If it is sharp like this, then it can go deeper. Okay, so depending on how it develops when it begins, so the price can still go higher, or maybe we market opens to begin to correct. For now, we got to be ahead of the market. Let's wait and see what or how it will develop. Remember, here is our target: 29,000, 30,000 before we sell a big time. EURJPY. EURJPY, what do we have? On the daily chart, it seems we have gotten a kind of complete move, A, B, C, unless we make a double correction, which is not ruled out. So let's see 4 hours. So 4 hours, one thing is surprising to me. JP225 is strong, while YMPs are weak. I don't understand. Okay, let's just keep waiting and watching. So now, what do we have here? We are looking for an A, B, C. Before then, we have to buy. But remember, the possibility of the price coming to this channel again is there. That's why you see this thing, this very red line. So if the price moves so sharp, we can get it drop to this level again. But what I'm seeing here is a correction, and the next move will be up. That's what I can see. But we must know that that after the break of this channel, okay, the market can just go straight down. Okay, but I don't see it doing that. We might get it, it might do something like this, something like this, something like this, something like this, then drop. Okay, just be not to be in a haste to buy. Then if you buy, when the market moves above this level, That's when we have the confidence that is if the price moves so sharp above this level, that's when I will cancel. I will stop expecting this very drop. But for now, it can give us something like this, a kind of A, B, C, W, X, Y, and drop to this level again. So because of that, as you trade, the next USDJPY. USDJPY. What do we have there? Let's go to daily. Okay, this is a very big move. I've been saying it. Whenever we have a very big move, expect a bigger correction. So now I'm expecting it to sell at least to 1.6, 125, or even 120. So for now, let's follow it as it develops. Okay, so right now, what I'm expecting is the price to give me to drop to 127 zone. Okay, but if I see a sharp move up above this level, maybe we might not sell for now, or maybe it will make a move like this. After going to this level, it will begin to drop. But for now, I'm telling this very move. This is what I'm expecting now. Let's go to pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. Let's check daily. So on daily charts, we're expecting it to drop. Or let me just go to 4 hours. Daily chart, I turned those daily charts last week very well, so I will be going there every week. So now we are expecting the price to drop to this level. As long as this level remains intact, I'm expecting it to drop either in this blue box, which is 157.2 to 155.4, or it can go deeper to 152, 153. So why am I saying this? I can only begin to look for buy when price go to this level, unless there's a sharp move up, unexpected sharp move. Then when it breaks this level, I'm going to look for buy. But for now, this is what I'm expecting. 157, 156, 155, or even lower. Let's see gold. Let's see gold. Okay, gold. Gold did not get to the reversal zone and it's going up. So a little bit difficulty in gold is that this very move is too sharp to be a correction. This very move is too sharp to be a correction. Okay, but we know sometimes some correction can start very sharp, and with time it will be slow. And if you watch this very move, we can say this is wave 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So if this is the case, it means that this is wave A. Then we are going to get A, B, C, wave B, before we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again, before going down. So it will likely be a long journey before we get to the bottom of the correction. So If you're trading gold, this time around, you may wait. To buy from here is not advisable, but a sharp move from here, a sharp move below this can be a good idea to sell after correction. Keep watching. Let's go to silver. Silver. There's a little disagreement between gold and silver this time. That's in silver, silver gold. Silver and gold seems to disagree this time around. This silver, this is a normal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's have arrived to the reversal zone. And this very move is sharp to be an impulse. You know, gold and silver used to go the same direction, but this time silver seems to taking the lead. Either gold will abandon the remaining structure and begin to go up with silver, or silver will begin to go sideways to wait for gold. That is, silver might be correcting, then gold will be going impulse downwards. So last week I showed you this. Is that we achieved that. Now, what are we expecting? Silver, I can sell silver when we get to this level, 21.4, 21.7 zone. That's when I can sell silver. I move towards this level, I can sell silver. Okay, but now I can't buy now. The only way I can buy now is if I get this type of move, then I can buy, because stop loss will be here. It will be a low risk trade. Then after that, I look for sell before buying again. Platinum. Platinum, what do we expect on platinum? So I show you again, platinum on daily chart. This is the zone, but you know, this is too far. You know, if platinum goes down to this level, it will be disastrous. So I don't expect it to happen. But anyway, because of this, the shape of this very first drop. So now this very move is fast. It's not moving in a corrective manner, it's fast. So what do we expect? This can be with air. When it finishes, then it can be, we can see an ABC, and we see another move like this to give us wave C. Maybe it can be wave 1 or wave A, then wave 2 or wave B, then wave 3 or wave C. So what will determine whether this is 3 or C is how if it goes very far, then it is wave 3, not C. But if it ends around this, an equal move of this, then it can be C. We can now get impulse or correction and up again. Okay. Oh, let me show you 4 hours. Let me show you 4 hours on platinum. So you can see the move is strong and it's still going up. I haven't seen a reason to sell. Okay. Just keep watching this. Keep watching this this channel. if it breaks, we can look for sell, right? US oil. US oil. What do we have here? ABC have completed, but can still go deeper. So let's see 4 hours. I mean, we are almost at the reversal zone. You see a touch of the reversal zone. So now, what do we have here? This move is still corrective. This move is still corrective. You can see if you look like ABC, and the price is dropping. So what do we expect? Let's see. So this move is an ABC move or WXY move. It seems like A, B, C or WXY. Now, what do we expect? If we get a sharp reversal around this area, then we can begin to buy. But if price makes something like this, so if price makes something like this and move sharply, then we might enter this reversal zone again. Maybe this time around in the middle of it before we get to buy. Now, my own opinion is that we will get price. Okay, so now what do we in my own opinion, we still get price to drop to this that is below 87. I want to see if the price go below 87, maybe 85 before we now buy. Okay, so if I see this in why it won't go lower again, I will update you. So this is why I say you should join my Telegram channel, because during the weeks we give updates. So now let's go to let's say sorry, let's go to NASDAQ.